Genie Plus is basically the priority lane of rides at Disney World. You do have to pay per person per day. You can purchase at midnight the day of your park reservation and begin making your selections at 7 a.m. that morning. To begin, you'll start at your home screen and then scroll down to where it says purchase. Go ahead and hit continue and select your party. You will just finish confirming and then enter your payment information. Back at the home screen, select tip board, and it'll take you to this screen with all the rides listed on it. I suggest looking over the rides to see which one you want to ride and which one you don't really care for. My travel tip is pick the rides that have the biggest wait time. These are going to be Haunted Mansion, Space Mountain. Let me know if you want to know more. Once you select your ride, I'm going to pick the Little Mermaid. Once again, you select who's going with you. At the time you select it, you just go to the ride and scan your bracelet and enjoy your ride. As soon as you scan your bracelet, you can immediately begin making your next selection. Make sure you're in the correct park and then choose your selection. So if you park hop, you can switch the park up at the top and then make your next choice. I'm going to choose Muppet Vision and repeat. Individual lightning lane is different. This is an additional pass that is only available at one ride in each park, and purchasing Genie Plus is not a requirement if these are the only rides you're interested in riding. The rides for individual lightning lane are Seven Dwarfs Mine Train at Magic Kingdom, Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind at Epcot, Star Wars Rise of the Resistance at Hollywood Studios, and Avatar Flight of Passage. Guardians of the Galaxy is my current favorite, but that's just my little travel tip. You basically book these the same way. I'm going to book Guardians of the Galaxy over at Epcot. So I'm changing my park. I'm scrolling down to Guardians of the Galaxy and I will click right there where it says individual lightning lane. For individual lightning lanes, these must be done at 7 a.m. sharp. They do go quickly. Pointer on how I usually manage my days is at 7 a.m. sharp, I handle my individual lightning lane purchases. And then after that, I move over to my Genie Plus selections if I'm purchasing that for that day. I do recommend purchasing on Magic Kingdom Day. Those wait times tend to be a bit longer and heavier.